This this song is dedicated to Wheels on Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and
Hello! Hindi red!
round
It's just
and
you! Another one? Okay, here you go. Thank you. Come on, run, Ninja Baby.
run!
Hindi mo na siya makikunin mo, te.
Anong kaguluhan to?
Captain America, run!
Are you Captain America?
Run, Captain
now?
America!
Come on, D! We gonna shoot D now?
Follow!
Tanawa si Indy, nagkuha ng snacks. Snack
Run!
time! Here you go!
Hindi, direct
Yummy!
Ikaw na siya na tadi ay?
Oh, yummy!
Wala ko din sa mukha.
Order ni ate. Ano to? Dinakdakan at saka dinuguan.
Dinakdak.
Walang ligo.
Wala.
Yeah, maligo pa ko. Maligo pa ko.
Kanini,
Siguro?
Kabo ba kang nag-Philippines ta? Wala siya talang dinuguan. Di ba? Wala. Uy, lamit. Ano?
Masarap ang dinuguan.
Mas aslong dili. Bisaya. Laman. Napa dito dahil makulangan ta. Ano, bitakwa niyo?
No, good afternoon guys. Ano pala sila ate at saka si Dan is nag-moment. Nag-moment sila, nag-bonding sila, pumunta sila sa mall, sa shops. And ito yung kasama natin dito sa bahay. Sino pa ba?
I'm coming closer.
This is the little boy.
I'm coming closer.
Why are you on top of the island?
Cause I'm coming closer.
What? Isla is... What are you doing, Ate Isla?
I'm getting my brand.
Okay, get a bandage. Si Indy kasi natutulog.
Someone's in there, guys.
So, akala nila pupunta kami ng... Or actually, if magising si Indy, maybe, pero hindi pa kasi nagigising si Madam.
Wait, does Lola have 5 kids?
Yes, my goodness. Lola has 5 kids. Oh, this is not a plain one, ate. You got the marble.
It's a cat.
Or, ito naman sa kadiha. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. You only need one anyway, right? So what happened? Did you try it? Yeah.
You know what? In my Easter eggs dinosaurs. In my Easter egg
Oh
dinosaurs.
no, it's not working. This one ate.
George, where's my Easter egg dinosaur?
I haven't seen it. Oops.
Timmy,
Easter egg dinosaur. I haven't seen it.
No, the Easter, the one you got it, the Kinder egg.
Ah, the Kinder eggs. No, you had it all of them. That's not a Kinder egg.
That's Mom's favorite.
Oh no, that's Mom's favorite. Wait, naksab anong ka?
Tell the gummy bear.
Hoy, why are you there, Mandong?
Wasn't gummy bears. Can you have the gummy bears?
Do you deserve a gummy bear? Itong dalawa to, nag-away to kanina. Grabe mag-away itong dalawa. Guys think that you deserve a gummy bear after, yeah? Mukha ni Dodong, ah. What do you think? What's that noise?
There's my bumper noise of fun. Say, this is jelly.
That's a jelly. That's for your mommy, okay?
Yeah, I know.
That's collagen.
And that's for the
Okay.
kids.
I know this is for
And
the
guess
kids.
what? I ate this before.
Really?
Yeah, but I ate that, but
But do you
I didn't
deserve gummy bears?
yeah.
Oh my god, this is not open. Oh no, it is. Okay. Just one each. No fighting anymore, okay, after this. Just one each. Okay. Wait. Oh, I like that one. What do you guys say? Why is everyone sleeping? Jeez. Tita Michelle sleeping. Indy's still sleeping. Yung mami.
Dahil nakalinya doon, ang haba ng pila. Kumuha din ako.
Nice. Uy, nice.
Okay, that's okay. Eat it. It's fine.
What happened, Alo?
It fell down.
It fell?
Ano, broke.
Mommy,
Boxy and cross.
Dito na sila. Didi's awake. Morning.
Yeah.
Hindi tayo nakapag-playground kasi ang tagal mo man. Tagal mo man na nagising di. Crab stick. Sushi. Wagyu barbecue. Kaya ka, Mama?
What bridge is this, babe?
Brooklyn? Is it?
Brooklyn, yeah. We've been there. Oh, yeah, Brooklyn. Kaning salmon the best. Manako.
Gumagawa si ate ng nachos. Wow. Wow. What's ito first? Cream cheese. Yummy.
Nanay, may tilaw. Wala ka daw. Pato kayo. Ako lamig ka ni kada kaon gulay. Wala na rin.
Puro gulay.
May tarabamit sa kanya na.
Kita mo?
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a view myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go
Talagang
away?
sumama sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ng kanyang ate at ng kuya. Milk, milk, milk! Let's go!
With a feeling in our hearts.
Hindi too. Halagi na yun eh. Good afternoon, guys. Another day. We are going somewhere to pick up Ilocos Empanada. Never ko pa yan na-try talaga, guys. Everyone's talking about it. Ano siya? Viral siya ngayon na masarap daw talaga. So, na-try natin. Empanada of Ilocos. Let's see kung masarap ba talaga siya. Pero of course, depende pa rin yun sa gumawa. Pero sabi nila masarap daw. Pick up namin to siya sa isang bahay. Today is Sunday and yung ano pala sila ate, meron silang party. I think it's a Greek Easter party. So kasama nila yung mga kids. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo. Very nice yung mga outfit ng mga kids ngayon. Ang cute talaga nila. Pakita ko siguro pagdating nila sa bahay. Andito tayo sa Costco, guys. Nagpapagas tayo. Alam nyo, sabi nila, mura daw dito.
Members only.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, hindi pala tayo makapag ano? No! We cannot! Hindi pala kami makapagpa-fuel dito kasi hindi man kami member. Sabi nila mura daw talaga dito.
10 cents different.
10 cents lang talaga?
Yeah. 309, 319.
Okay, bye. Mahal na kasi ng fuel eh. Dito na lang tayo sa Caltex, guys. Caltex tayo nagpapa-fuel ngayon. Ay, di ko napakita sa inyo. Later na lang. Pero ito na nga yung food, oh. Pinick up ko. Guys, andito na tayo sa bahay. Tapos, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito, in order to ni ate. So, antayin lang namin siya before namin i-taste. Meron siyang sauce na I'm pretty sure vinegar at saka maraming, nalilik lang, no? Tsaka maraming onion. Look! Akala ko sobrang laki, pero ngayon ko lang pala kaliit. Meron tayong 4 na yun nga yung Ilocos empanada. Tapos meron din yung original na empanada lang. Tapos, we also have, meron silang Dubai chocolate. So, meron tayong 4 na ganito. Yan lang. Wait, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Tapos, bumili kami ng liver kasi magpapansit din kami. Masarap yung pansit kasi pag may liver. So excited. Actually, hindi lang liver yung binili. Hearts din. Kasi mag-aadobo tayo one of these days.
Appeal dyan ba? Oh.
First time natin itatry.
Try nga natin.
No, question try. Saan ka man eh? Bidaday. Deep na ta? Try.
Crunchy? Grabe ka crunchy mo ha.
Wala kang nakain ng loob. Puro gilid pa. Paano yung makakaon ng ditag ko ano?
Yung suka niya ang ninipis ng ano, onion.
Food processor. Ito, meron ng laman.
Kaya soda guys. Gaya-gaya ka.
Gauna eh.
Sunod-sunuran!
Ang suka ang lamig.
Suka. Ano yung apple ha?
Guys, sabi ni ate, mas masarap daw yung sa kanya. No, hindi pa ako nakatikim nito, so hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung... Pero okay lang lasa. Pero sabi ni ate, mas masarap yung sa kanya.
Happy day. Soda guys. Guys, hindi ka ma-empanadas.
Kaya hindi ka nag-along sa te.
Ah, butangan din yung ganisa.
Nailong ganisa.
Wala, lagi na iya ha.
Kanada. Pero asin, dili kayo
No.
Yung ganisa, egg, dapat papaya, pero yung akong ginagay kay cabbage. Dapat kayo na imunggo. Wala imunggo ako.
Naasya.
Naa siya?
Really? Listen to the eye.
Lisod. Ang doon, lisod. Kay,
Okay.
mauga, mag-crack. So, nakabuhat kung usa, Rajud.
Ah.
Paano may ang suka ya?
Ang next,
Mura na siya. Pero vegan kay, di ba, garlic mo na ila. This one feels just like ground meat.
yeah.
Maybe because kay, dili na.
Dubai chewy choco. This one? Yeah, hindi siya ganahan. So big.
It's cocoa dusting.
Yeah, coco dusting. Hindi siya ganahan. Tanawa yung nauti. Not happy. Didi's not happy. Tanawa, bulingit pa.
Milk!
Choco dusting.
Nada miss.
Ikaw,
Okay.
te.
Let's try. First time din to.
May nakuha na yun eh, lips ni mo.
Ano?
Me?
Wala na ni. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. niya,
Pistachio.
Pistachio, yeah. Hindi pa ako nakatry ng Dubai chocolate at all.
You like it for sure. No, hindi ni ate. Ate. Musta? Pero ganahan?
Okay man.
Gani. Dito mo, nagagay ko mo.
Namay naman.
Yeah.
Mura mo good mo gwari. Actually, ako lang may ganahan.
Lami ako, ginaon na ba kung... Lami ano ko? Lami ang coating.
Namay ang dark.
Namay ang
dark
dark
cocoa. Wala hindi ka na sinini kay dark man.
Dark.
Ang feeling ni? Knafi?
Yeah, masarap yung marshmallow.
Pili ko, bakong buhat ano.
No, you don't know how to make a kunafa. It's the crispy
just
one.
buy it.
Yeah, could be. I
Hoy,
think Dan would like this.
feel sad na ako.